Are you looking for ways to make your life easier? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a treasure trove of ingenious life hacks that can transform your everyday life. First on our list, the art of the 1-minute rule. This simple yet effective hack involves dealing with any task that takes a minute or less right then and there. An unmade bed, a cluttered desk, a dirty dish, if it takes a minute or less to do, don't postpone. You'd be amazed how this can keep your living and workspaces tidy and organized. Next, we have batch processing. This involves grouping similar tasks together and doing them all at once. So instead of responding to emails sporadically throughout the day, allocate a specific time to tackle all your emails in one go. This method can help streamline your tasks, saving you precious time and effort. Third on our list is the 2-pizza rule. Originally coined by Amazon's Jeff Bezos, this hack suggests that if 2 pizzas aren't enough to feed your team, then your team is too big. Keeping your team or meeting group small can lead to more effective and efficient communication and decision-making. Moving on, let's talk about the Pomodoro Technique. This time management method involves breaking your work into 25-minute chunks, separated by 5-minute breaks. After every 4th Pomodoro, take a longer break. This can help maintain your focus and productivity while preventing burnout. Our 5th life hack is the 10-second rule. This is a simple yet effective technique to curb impulsive spending. The idea is to wait for 10 seconds before making any purchase and ask yourself, do I really need this? You'd be surprised how often the answer is no. Lastly, we have the 2-minute rule. This hack is based on the idea that if a task takes 2 minutes or less to complete, you should do it immediately rather than putting it off. This can help you tackle small tasks promptly, preventing them from piling up and becoming overwhelming. So let's recap. Today we've explored 6 life hacks: the 1-minute rule for immediate tasks, batch processing for similar tasks, the 2-pizza rule for team size, the Pomodoro technique for time management, the 10-second rule for impulsive spending, and the 2-minute rule for quick tasks. Remember, life hacks are all about making your life more efficient and less stressful. So why not give these a try and see how they can transform your day-to-day life? After all, life is too short to spend it stressed and overwhelmed. Make these hacks a part of your routine and enjoy the change they bring. And that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, a simpler life is just a hack away.